So, yesterday we arrived at this place, Cascada Verde. What? Cascada Verde. Cascada Verde. We asked ourselves, what are we going to do today? And luckily there's this nice booklet here with recommendations of what to do in the area. First 2 pages say something about waterfalls within hiking distance. Waterfalls and hiking sounds amazing. No one of us remembers the way.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. I kind of remember. So, pretty sure this is the right way. Okay, walking through this beautiful bamboo forest. Very high bamboo. It looks amazing. Very nice here, a bit of shade, and we can actually hear the river flowing. So that means water. And water means potentially waterfall. We have, was heißt die Wahl auf Englisch?
The choice.
We have the choice. Either we go up this hill, and supposedly after 1 hour we will arrive at a waterfall. Or we go this,
Say half an hour.
or we go this path, less long and hard, supposedly. We arrived at this beautiful place here. It's very, very nice. So, small little waterfalls and a place to jump in. That's what I'm gonna do now. On our way back now, we didn't end up on a big waterfall as we planned earlier, but it was pretty nice at that little pool and the jump in, also the hike. The hike was really, really nice, and oh, that's so cute. Look at this.
Look.
Yeah, so the hike, seeing the nature and the vibrant colors and the plants and everything here was really, really cool. So yeah, I guess sometimes it's not about your goals or where you end up. It's more about the journey, maybe. We have a horse friend now.